To sync your files with PracticePanther and Dropbox, click your name in the top right and click Settings. On the bottom left, click Files and Documents, and you'll get to this page. Now, we do highly recommend using Box.com instead of Dropbox for a number of reasons. They have a lot of packages to make it HIPAA compliant if you need the extra security. They give you 10 gigabytes of free space instead of Dropbox's 2 gigabytes of free space. But more importantly, they give you a lot more features and options with their integration and API that's built into PracticePanther. So for example, you can lock files, share files, preview files, upload files, download files, edit files, all from inside PracticePanther. You never need to leave PracticePanther like you will need to with Dropbox because their integration is not so good. They don't offer it. More importantly, Box is used by most Forbes 100 companies around the world and law firms around the world, so they are the much more secure option. Now, if you do happen to love Dropbox and you don't want to switch, that's perfectly cool as well. You can just click here to create a free Dropbox account, and then click here to download Dropbox to your computer, and then click here to start syncing your account. So if you have a new account or an existing account with Dropbox, just click here, step 3, to start syncing your account. It will take you here, and just press allow. Then it will say the account is not connected to Dropbox. So now all your files in PracticePanther will start syncing over to Dropbox. Now the process could take up to 24 hours. So the first time, so be patient and just wait a little bit until it starts syncing all the files over. And if you're new to Dropbox, now would be the time to open up the Dropbox app on your computer and sign into your Dropbox account on your computer as well. Alright, so after the sync has gone through, you can log into your Dropbox account online, and you will notice that there is a new PracticePanther folder in Dropbox. Now, it's going to be the same on your computer. If I drag this over, I will have a PracticePanther folder here as well. And if you're going to notice, this is including new folders for all my contacts, and if I go into a contact, also all my matters in PracticePanther. So this is the coolest part about the sync. Anytime you create a new contact or matter in PracticePanther, it will automatically create that folder for you in Dropbox so you can start putting all your files in there. So let's do a quick example test. Let's go into Joe Schmo, and let's go into Schmo versus Doe. This is the matter. And let's make a new file in here. We'll call this test. Okay? Now, what's happening is right now it is syncing this file with Dropbox. When it's done syncing, you will see a little green checkbox that just showed up here. So it's done syncing. That's it. It's instant. Now, if I go back to my Dropbox.com, I can go to Joe Schmo, Schmo versus Doe, and I'm going to see the file here. Now, we also recommend downloading the iPhone, iPad, and Android apps for Dropbox on your mobile devices so you can access these files anytime using the Dropbox app on your phone. Now, if I go back to PracticePanther, let's go to the Schmo versus Doe matter. And now in every contact and matter, there's going to be a new tab all the way on the right called Files with a Dropbox icon. And it's going to load that folder that I just synced over. So you're going to see here, here's my test document right here. Just like that, it's uploaded instantly. So this is the coolest part. Anytime you're uploading, editing, changing documents on your computer, you never need to do it from PracticePanther. You can do everything on your computer with Dropbox like you're already doing before, most likely. It will automatically update the Dropbox file and folders across your entire company, and it will automatically make sure that every contact and matter has the updated files as well. Now, with the Dropbox integration, I can do a few things. I can create a new folder right from here. New folder, let's call it new. I can rename the file, refresh the file, move the file, copy the file, delete the file, and download the file if I want. Or I can double click on it, which will open the file up in Dropbox and show me a preview of it. This is empty though, so it's not showing me anything. So it could take me to Dropbox. Now the biggest difference between this and Box.com is that with Box.com, I'll see a similar frame inside, but I can edit and preview files directly from inside PracticePanther without leaving to Dropbox. And I could also upload files directly from here by dragging and dropping into Box, which I can't do with Dropbox. Now, the cool part is, let me just drag over my other screen so you can see it here. This is the folder on my computer. And as you can see here, it already has the new folder that I just created in Box. So anything I do in Dropbox, anything I do from Dropbox in PracticePanther will automatically do it on my computer and in Dropbox in real time instantly. And that's the Dropbox sync.